Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on grouping symbols part 2. Excuse me. This video follows on from the previous lesson regarding the removal of grouping symbols. The examples in this video are more involved and require some extra calculations. So let's see what's required here. Remove the grouping symbols in each of the following examples and collect like terms where appropriate. So this is the difference in this video. We'll have an opportunity to collect like terms when we're able to do so. So let's look at some examples, and the first one says 5 outside of m plus 4 plus 3 outside of m plus 2. So if we do that part first, that gives us 5m plus 20. Then if we do that part, that gives us 3m plus 6. Now, if we look closely, we will see there are some like terms. 5m plus 3m, that gives us 8m, and 20 plus 6 gives us 26, and that's the final answer. You cannot combine 8m and 26 together when we're doing addition, because they are unlike terms. Number 2, excuse me, 6 outside of 3y minus 4 plus 3 outside of 2y minus 5. That gives us 18y minus 24 plus 6y minus 15. Focus on the like terms first, which is that one and that one. 18y plus 6y. You always take the sign immediately to the left of the term. That's the one that relates to that term there. That's why it's 18y plus 6y, which gives you 24y. Minus 24 minus 15 gives us minus 39. So that's the answer. The next example is this one. And when we remove the grouping symbols for each part, we get this line here. Now we have a look at the like terms, and the only terms that are like terms are those two there. So the 3m cubed, we write that down, 3m to the power of 3, minus 4m squared plus 10m squared gives us plus 6m squared, and there's our 12m. And finally, we have this example here. When we remove the grouping symbols, we have that expression there, and we note that we have 63k squared minus 18k squared. That gives us 45k squared. And minus 45k plus 12k is minus 33k. So this simple video has given us some examples where we can practice removing grouping symbols. And in this case, when we do our second line, when we arrive at our second line, after removing the grouping symbols, we have an opportunity to collect like terms if the opportunity is there for us to do so. So you can only collect like terms if like terms actually exist.